As you can see right here, right here, right here, and right here. We're just ripping the Band-Aid.
Oh my god.
So sad. So here's a before and here is the after. This is what it looks like fully unwrapped. Grant's driving the Subi. He can barely tell between the gears because
I'm like really good at manual, but like this car's pretty hard to drive.
Yeah, so the shifter bushings are basically non-existent in this car, so I did order that from Amazon. It's supposed to come in sometime today.
In other words, we're in 4th gear right now. We're in 4th gear right now.
That's not neutral.
We are currently on the way to Performance Lab, and we're gonna work on the Mercedes. Got a lot to do to that, and we're gonna work on the WRX.
Also, something else is very new. Grant's hair! You finally got a haircut! So...
this car is crazy, you guys.
Not in a good way. I'm waiting for someone to let me in the garage, but while we're waiting, I'm gonna do us all a big favor. Maybe I can't. What is this? I can't take it off. Bro. I will say that was one of the nicer steering wheel covers I've ever seen. It's not, just not me. That just ain't me.
What's that? And in she comes.
Get all these slow cars out of here, please.
All the slow cars. But the slow cars are coming in here, is what's happening.
Grant got a haircut. Grant got a haircut. Did Ed and them notice?
Oh yeah.
What did I say?
Roy was like, ooh, you got your weave did. I was like, yes, girl.
What did Ed say?
He's like, oh boy.
I am surrounded by Skittles right now. But anyways, I have finally decided what I wanted to install on the Subaru today. Most of the parts have arrived. It's just a matter of like what I want to make time for today and what I'm feeling. So I closed my eyes and I picked the blow-off valve, which get to work. I am going to be installing the blow-off valve, and here is set blow-off valve. Not much to it with the unboxing. What? What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
There's not much to it with the unboxing other than the hoses, the actual blow-off valve or the bypass valve. Yeah, so it says blow-off valve on the actual instruction sheet, but when I ordered the part, I think it said bypass valve. I should probably do some more research on what the actual technical difference is between the two, or you guys can just tell me. What do you keep doing that for? What are you, jealous? I'm gonna be able to install it in like
I want to install a blow-off
in
valve.
2.5 seconds, and it took you like 6 hours to install.
Over 6 hours.
Over 6 hours.
All right, I installed two, not one. They were from AAM, made by HKS.
Yes.
And they sound really good. And yeah, I had two. You only have one.
Yeah, I know. And mine's like mounted right by the intercooler, so we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. Unless some magical thing decides to show up during the process, which it probably will.
always does.
Yeah. No. Zip ties for me. Flow control adjustment and the intake manifold connect. I do plan on getting it retuned later.
Hey, what are you doing?
So I am taking off the OEM blow-off valve.
Is that what that is?
I'm gonna need a longer lever.
These girls, they always want a longer lever.
Alright guys, bear with me because I need a better phone mount. It looks like the gasket is coming off the intercooler. Nice.
I don't really know, Lenny.
I think it's coming off, guys. Period. And there's metal shavings in there. Oh my lord. So this rubber gasket was placed on, it was on this hole. This one was aligned correctly, but this one, totally non-existent. I am taking set elbow piece off the OEM blow-off valve because I think we're gonna be reusing it. I don't need this one, this part, so. Oh, look at you. Thanks to Ed. Here is the new blow-off valve one more time. I just unmounted the intercooler because honestly it's just going to be a lot easier. I'm going to stop scratching the heck out of this blow-off valve just because I was having a little hard time putting it back into the, losing the term here, totally forgot the term, but you know what I'm saying. And I spilled my coffee on the floor. That is way more important. I'm so upset. I wiped the whole floor. I want another one. Can you go get me another one, please?
You guys, what are you doing?
I'm having some fitment issues with this intercooler, dude.
I'm trying to fit you in the engine.
I'm not having it, man. Like, I'm like not even a centimeter off. So I'm definitely rerouting this whole system right here. Oops, that's not gonna happen. Correctly.
Bro, I was about to like knock over all of the stuff on top of it. It's gonna go all into the engine bay.
I'm not enjoying this.
Anyways, while Christina is in her engine bay, a little update for you guys. This, as you guys may recall, on my social media, TikToks, Instagram, all that, I sanded this down, I primed it, painted it, and it was still a little rough to the touch. I didn't really share this part on my other platforms, but it just wasn't smooth enough to wrap. So ultimately, Ed came in clutch and he sanded it down with his sander and put some bit of filler in there.
Guys, don't laugh at how terrible this engine bay is. It's so cluttered right now. I do plan on rerouting stuff and fixing it after.
But you finished and now it's time to go and test it out, right?
Okay. It started up.
All right, we're pulling her out and I don't know. A lot of traffic, but are you in second? Yeah, you are. All right. Now wait a second, and now give it gas all the way. Let off. I heard it barely. I can, yeah.
You hear it?
Barely. Actually, now I don't, no.
I don't hear it at all.
Go to fourth gear.
Okay. Did it flutter?
Yeah, I'll put it in neutral. Put it in neutral.
Okay.
Just pull over right here. Oh, we're about to get poured on too.
Oh, okay. I lost power steering.
Dude.
So.
Okay. Okay. Everything just died. The camera has 10 seconds left. It's about to pour. No, 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 no. It's gonna start surging and die out. Just turn it off.
Yikes!
We're gonna try and get this thing running and back to the shop before it rains. It's about to rain in about 5 minutes. I have no clue how this happened.
But how did it loosen up all the way? Like, we didn't have it this loose.
So Christina put this back in, but she put it in the wrong way, so we can't get it out now. So she's gonna try starting the car to get it out. I'm gonna take a step back before it like kills somebody. Nope.
That's the best I could do.
Nope.
Okay. Dude, flight or fight.
Fight or flight.
Okay, so no, wait, maybe.
This is from a mask, by the way. Come on, baby. There we are. That's good. Yeah, just don't go into boost range and we'll be good. Already starting to rain.
Okay, before we go, the first thumbnail. We need a thumbnail.
Oh my gosh. Like, we just missed this, thankfully.
We just missed it.
Jeez.
And it's only gonna get worse.
I know, right? Bye, Vet Lab.
Dude.
The sun is finally coming out as well.
The car's running.
The car's running.
So we came to the conclusion after doing some research, I found out that this certain blow-off valve mechanism actually doesn't have a spring in it, even though the diagram said it did. So that's why we were going crazy looking for it. But yeah, this mechanism doesn't. I don't know if it's because it's a recirculating blow-off valve, a bypass valve, or it's because of a certain year that this one doesn't have it. Regardless, we got it running. We're not going crazy. There's no spring that's lost. We're driving home. Grant didn't have to take his SL550 out.
That thing is not going nowhere.
So yeah, we're gonna go eat some food, and then my bushings, my shifter bushings have arrived. I think I mentioned that. So that is gonna be the next video. I can finally not be in neutral 24/7. So yeah.
And so a lot of stuff coming your way. Honest to God, I plan to get so much done today on the SL. And I'm just so happy because I was so productive today. No, I spent the entire...
I was like, that's a kind of lie.
The entire day, we can bleep that out, wrapping the mirror. One mirror, not both, one.